Hey, what's up, Stinkerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Come on, man. Help us out. What's so hard about giving us a like? Hey, we know y'all checking out the video, so go ahead and give us a like. Hey, the sneakerhead bros will appreciate that.
Yes, sir. So today's video, we're gonna start off with the Jordan recaps. Starting
Yes,
off with the
sir.
Jordan 1. This is the girls' Jordan 1 Low Fierce Pink. This shoe released on July 24th and did not sell out. I repeat, did not sell out.
No.
I'm very shocked about this because the price point was only $90. So I know if I had a kid, I would definitely go and scoop these up. For $90, you can't beat that. And with back to school just around the corner, I mean, I don't know why they didn't sell out. But most sizes are still available online at select retail stores. And keep in mind, these are grade school sizes.
Yes, sir. Hey, coming next, we got those Jordan 6 Low Fierce Pink. They released on the 24th as well. Hey, and they did not sell out. I say it again, they did not sell out. All right. All sizes are available at Nike.com. Hey, and remember, these are grade shoe sizes as well.
So what do you think is going on, Sneakheads? Let me know in the comments. Is Fierce Pink not in anymore? Is that too bright of a pink for y'all? Is that why these shoes are not selling out? Or is it just because these are grade school? Let me know.
Hey, bro, I'm thinking that grade school that GS ain't doing so well. So hey, like my bro say, hey, let us know what you guys. Hey, you getting our opinion on what's what? Hey, all we asking for you guys' opinion. Hey, the more you feed us feedback, hey, the more we can provide for you. Because one thing you must know. The sneakerhead bros always go bring you honest, not
Yes,
know
sir.
something just to get a view, anything like that. It always go be straight up front in your face, right? So all we asking for is a thumbs up, and then shoot us a comment, and give us some feedback.
Yeah, we appreciate that, Sneakerheads. So moving on to the last shoe on the list. This is the Jordan 3 Palomino. Now I did say I was dropping these, and my bro said, "What? Can't do
Yes, sir.
that. You can't
No,
do that."
don't do
So these released
that.
on
Don't
So
do
these released on the
that.
29th Saturday, and they are sitting. I did go to Virginia this past weekend, and they were sitting up there as well. As you can see, these are just sitting here. $200. Yeah, want these? They did not sell out. These are men's sizes, and they did come in grade school as well. Men's sizes 8 through 13 are still available on Nike.com. So go ahead and scoop them up, sneakerheads. All sizes in grade school are also available as well.
And look, it looked like it was a bad week. It looked like it was a bad week, right? But if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say at For Sure Family, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.